Welcome to dptutorials. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common data management task, finding duplicate entries in Excel. Method 1. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a powerful tool in Excel that can visually highlight duplicate entries. Here's how to use it. Let's consider this as an example. Suppose we have a list of product IDs in column B. Select the range of cells containing your data, go to Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, choose Highlight Cell Rules, and then duplicate values. Choose a formatting style to highlight duplicate values. Click OK to apply the formatting. Nice. Method 2. Using the countif function. The countif function can be used to count the occurrences of specific values in a range. Here's how to use it to find duplicates. In a new column, enter the formula as equals to countif, open the parenthesis, select the range as column B, comma, cell reference as B5, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Drag the formula down to apply it to all cells in the range. Any value with a count greater than 1 indicates a duplicate. Got it? Method 3. Using conditional formatting with formulas. This method combines conditional formatting with formulas to highlight duplicate entries. Here's how. Select the range of cells containing your data, that is B4 to F27. Go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula to identify duplicates. Equals to F4 greater than 1 and give dollar symbol to the left hand side. Choose a formatting style and click OK. Got it? By mastering these techniques, you can easily find and manage duplicate entries in Excel, ensuring the accuracy and integrity of your data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. And be sure to let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any other Excel topics you would like us to cover. Thanks for watching.